Can a wildfire become a hearth without losing its heat? Some say lust is raw attention, life force concentrated. Met with presence, it refines. The spark that wants to consume can learn to tend. Curiosity becomes care. Rhythm becomes reliability. In this view, devotion isn't desire's death. It's desire grown steady, like a current shaped into a river you can live beside. Others say devotion domesticates. Lust needs distance, novelty, a trace of danger. It blooms in the unknown, not the calendar. Sanctify it and you sand it down. Devotion slides into duty. The current stalls. Fantasy feeds lust. Reality feeds devotion. Mix them and both go hungry. So we stand between heat and home, wanting the burn and the belonging. How much mystery can a promise hold? How much promise can a mystery bear? Keep the fire and risk the house. Build the house and cool the flame. Which loss is love willing to suffer?